Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to trigger email notifications via make.com. So to trigger email notifications, you can utilize webhooks or the mailhook feature. Webhooks allows you to send data to make.com when a specific event occurs in other application, which can be used to trigger an email. Mailhooks, a specific type of webhook, allows you to forward emails to a make.com address, triggering an automation. So, using webhooks, create a webhook trigger. In make.com, create a new scenario and add the webhooks module. Choose custom webhook and give it a meaningful name. Make.com will generate a unique webhook URL. And second one is to configure the webhook in the source application. In the application where the trigger event occurs, configure a webhook to send data to the make.com webhook URL. This could be for new entries in a database, form submissions, or other events. Add an email module. After the webhook module in your make.com scenario, add an email module, for example Gmail, Outlook. Configure it to send the notification email. And lastly, map data and customize the email. Use the data received from the webhook to customize the email content. You can map specific data elements from the webhook payload to the email subject, body, and other fields. That's it. Thanks for watching.